In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do data cleanup with Gemini right here in Google Sheets. So when you're working on a large set of data and you want to do some data cleanup, making sure that all those incomplete or empty rows are gone, also with your columns. Well, with Gemini, that's definitely possible. So in this example, I have this short table. Now, some of these columns are incomplete, some of dates, but the rest are empty, or some of them have some amounts, but the rest are empty again, and so on. Also, we have a completely empty column here in the middle. So with Gemini, with a short prompt, we'll be able to get rid of those empty or incomplete rows and also with your columns. So let's get started by opening our Gemini on the right side. Click on Ask Gemini right here, and here we have our panel. Now, if you still don't have access to Gemini, I have a separate video where I show you how to get Gemini for free. If you're interested in that, I'll be leaving a card at the top right corner for you to check out. So going back to our panel right here, let us go ahead and enter our prompt. So this is a very simple prompt. We're asking Gemini to remove or delete our empty and incomplete rows, also with our columns. So let's go ahead and put that here. There we have it. So you also have to specify which data you want to clean up. So since this is the only table in my spreadsheet, I do include it in my prompt. So I wanted to remove empty and incomplete rows and also empty columns within my table. So if now I press enter or I simply click on submit right here, now it's going to go through my table and delete all those incomplete, empty rows and columns. And there we have them. So now it says I've removed the empty column and the empty or incomplete rows from your table with the following steps. There we have it. So if we go back to our data, now we don't have any of those incomplete or empty rows, as well with our columns. So with that quick prompt, we were able to do some data cleanup with Gemini right here in Google Sheets. Now, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Also, this video is only part of my Gemini series, where I show you how to use Gemini here in Google Sheets. If you want to check out other videos, I'll be linking to the full playlist again with a card at the top right corner for you to check out. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.